You're gonna been live video nan ga sa wat ka war. There's take a message me here the stuff. Sha wanna quite digest but sha go to the kan yada. So I have to let it go. About release. Kwa willing, kwa concern, kwa make sense. It's none of my business. But going is there. Quite the stuff. Because me, I'm trying to wanna my younger one and younger daughter, I will just keep quiet. Because I don't want headache. I don't want more enemy. I had enough. Then tinyera na ngula randu ora lingo ngula dora na anymore is this is it become too much and I don't want it. But me look go but yin kan yida balat. I've long been free my brain but pockets couldn't go up like a pea take here we goes. Minan me war ne kula tok siang ko besi. I had a dream. A serious one. Take a look. Okay? Go turn in. Because vision. It was a dream. And I don't play with my dream. I don't joke with my dream. And I want you guys, newer people, to listen to my message. And I don't like you guys too. And that's why I'm trying to walk away from your business. But that is something that doesn't want me to go. And I don't know why. I told this God, go and message in I don't want them. But you just got here, go to let go. Lenga message don't. Lada ya ga te mi nyera. Tiene nyer ga man nyera yo wun langa kwat. Yeah, te mi nyera. Look at what. That's why I run away from this Facebook. Kero waka Facebook lamandam. Chanyo ko guru sinba. Helmentan into a dream. A serious one. Okay? I had a dream about you guys, about what's going on. I had a dream, very clear and clean message. And I hope first of all, I love go kun, I love go damn. Palo go Jesus finish. You got already understand. That's nothing but take. Go kun, I love go dance. The child go denters. Chako cocky or put cock. Go kun, la child go gundang or go dang, I love go kun you know. Chapan can cock your cock. But cook can agree can cook cock. Where the message came from. Whether you believe it or not is not my business. I will release myself because I don't want punishment at all. Sin go to punishment go could. I love go kun and tell go for dun la go kun you know your God and need your own traditional God save. You got a cock go could but could can rock God you know that I agree with them. But pinkin our cock you receive. You receive a canong back a cocker go could but could kind of cocker can could cocker but you receive that thing that she could cock and eighty she cocker but pinkin taka cock you but could cannot cock is moving around looking for someone without a point there. So meeting can or make yourself available, don't put them your point. Me, I refuse. Dollar is your funny. I don't like it. Yeah. Ala go kun, you know, go kodun. La go dentast. Chaka cock. I don't know what you talk, but the message is clear. Guadamentia Jackson. In spiritual realm, did me? Go kun chaka cock. Okay, chaka go kun cock. A canong chigoro cocktail go put. You could tell you back cock. But couldn't ya really? Good Ramade looking point there. Allow Kodun is moving around looking for someone. Mede theater, the looking point Ramon. I reject it. I don't need it. I don't want it. I'm not ready. No, I'm not ready for that. I am not ready. I reject it. I reject it. Kind of knock. Allah Kudun is moving around looking for someone. Okay? So me jinga nuwaram nong nuwara ka yiga dial. Prepare yourself. Don't be spirit of Nuar God. Don't when you find him. Is looking for someone. Second message in Chalara real rimbanyo kalariye. Kaan ba rajo ka tin chaling ka chalwoj. Loy dam chalwoj ka chalwoj ka dia gwada ma yalwoj tin. The message is here. Ko Kudun. I believe first time ban in a weird like it's on tears weird. Man right face to face. It's on tears. Weird kamer. Te feel so disappointed ka go into use. Ko feel so disappointed ka ye need in kwal ko te ko dun jolly denters. So where I see him crying face like right face to face. Yeah, I'm right, I'm face to face. It's on tears. Alaga gruna me. You didn't kun but I control spiritually. I control and do did me a year. Okay? Later nying ya ter kan koro makel ko kuskin. Ala kuskin chicken ro unai keke. Ala yen ko kudun chi en del kel ko cha ne den wa ko kudun cha pankien kok. Chi kodun te ro that hora was nobody. But let me shock you. Ala ram bit ko nyur point jare je kan. Am ko nyur point will be young boys. He would did. Jare dan ko ja kam mulanga ne nasa. I see it clear because I reject it. I will tell what I have seen. Okay? Maintenance blood fully. Ram buko dam na deliver jare dan kon jikan nasar kan walang kane nasar. She wouldn't be it's young boys. Being ignored but too I have seen it. But tell it you clearly tell me can jik tell me be a long until Yaro unite kel keje. Okay? I have seen him turning right no weird. Look no boy in full detail. I don't want to expose myself again. Nope. Jere jagini mini kadar nyer ka ta wal ta is alright but magor mun de ko rama gana kan kunore I have no business. Me tell the business ka gwa dong. Si jaram de kan ban jako de ban yong. I don't want it. Can knock. Business mun de ngan ma kwai te gur ka kan ka ro man yang chi business. Okay. Me de chan nyang yo ka business ka mun de nga kwala ban la ba tu nyang ban. It's none of my business. I'm not interested in this. It's no interest because I'm tired myself. But go penang is like disturbing me. Chin mind it. Shakuro relax. Chin ko focus. Kaya Sunday can not today like chin ko brun I'm going to work. No koskaje. But I can't do nothing. So you know it. Then tell her to know it. Oh, and I take a good contact. Nyoro yen go no kun bia nyotina. Shala denters is moving around. Say yen ga kun we yen go kun is moving around. But I'm a youth that come ulang and nasser. Either bagat ulang ke bagat nasser. I have seen it. It's a young man, young boy, very young age. We did a long bishop cut 30. But pick under 20. But pick 20. Come 20, go can 30. According to what I have seen. I have seen his face. Chanen. But you know what, please? Allah Kudun Jalul is crying. You guys don't have a good connection with them. Tell you good connection. Go good on kun. Can go kun and can come dun go cook. She got a quack. But can could agree with our cock. But more harm is coming because they did. See or make her. Because you yoga. They unite themselves. Go could kin. Go could we to go. But Allah could do and let them tell dun. Tell look about cock. But here's the problem. is moving around looking for someone. Point. And then this young boy, you receive the message already, accept the message. I'm not going to mention your name. I even know you. I'm not going to mention your name because tell her I'm not going to expose myself. I don't want headache. Except you're calling good boys. I know it's tough. But ignore, but we're young. They'll call you name. But you better accept me. Me, I said, God forbid. I'm not ready. I'm not taking anybody outside. I'm not ready for that. I reject it. I don't want it. I can't. I even have my own problem. They even become my problem themselves. How can I do the delivery? No. They rejected. I rejected you guys. I can't. Because the best thing you guys do is someday you look, we are young. I have seen that already. Like young, those who know what to do. We are confused, we are abused, we are jar. Me and mind lose. But we are lose a lot too. We are lose a lot. I'm okay, mommy. I'm okay, darling. I'm okay. I'm all right. You're a jack. Can't you go down my watch? But get yourself ready. Okay? Oh, you know him, yeah? I choose the Kodu. I can better will be a listen, Mingayan. Try ignore. I love these people, yeah? You got to unite. Jelga kelo kus gwayne ken, the chagin kus chaitan. Jelga yoro no kus ken ko ken. Forget about Jesus, there's nothing there. Logun you when go Jesus. Because Jesus, they're not from Jesus, they're from somewhere. Look and be look. Let me tell you this in this video. It's not gonna catch up the Jesus. Because you Jesus, you don't look. But those people from Jesus, they're not from Jesus, they're from somewhere. And the problem that we have is a big problem that needs a solution. Lord, you doing the test. Deng is moving around. I'm glad that I'm coming. I know him. Coming here. Focus on him. First time I can see a vision. I'm going to la vision where go to a lot of years at the point that I need in color. Quality or little chol ka ga ko ko den. Cha go the la go ka cha ga cook yo. But the funny part which you look agree you back cock. Me and I'm carrying you. I'm very important. Go imagine need wa kok ko do ko ko jero fi do di lela me nam ka ye de ngo ja ba gwa de go ron de test a better will be a good malat. Okay, so this is my message. Chen go more detail. I'm not gonna go more detail unless now but focus but let ka lat been free get ready need a ga ka yeti. They prepare themselves spiritually, mentally, financially. Of course, yes, 100%. Go one day, I'm sorry, go then you're not disappointed. Go then test. How come they end up to go? If you are a cockle, why? Why cocker? Why cocker? It's quite a midget to work already. I have no idea. But you keep busy. I don't want to focus on it. And this is what pisses me off. Because when I'm trying to disconnect myself with anything to do with Nuare, I want to focus on myself. I want to focus on myself. But this damn thing with my grandparents, they always come and fool me out, which is mean good kind of I don't accept. This is the third time that I have a meeting with them. This is the third time that I took a meeting spiritually with them. This is the third time. This is the third time. The first time was in 2021. Yeah, no, 2022 in Traralgon. The second one also was in Traralgon. The third one is here this morning in this house. Okay, 1 a.m. So please, humble yourself. They need you guys. This Jesus thing is confusing you guys. This Jesus thing is confusing you guys and then giving you guys more problem. Because those who call themselves a leader, Jesus, they're confused. They're not in the right route. I'm not denying Jesus. Jesus, of course, yes. Jesus, of course. But something wrong somewhere on the ways. Something is missing. And something is mixing. Could mix or mix and don't did me. Can go discourage and Jesus, yeah? But come back to your own root. To your own root, come back. Did you say I won't call her? And I'm full of the Tomonian call. I will expose your secret. I know. You want to call her? But yeah, post. I will. I'm fully ready for over your post. But no go your maybe a solution. Jack doing and jigging you problem. Don't see a solution of a jack. Go back to your own God. Go back to your own God. Then go back to it. Don't then I woman. A lot good or I'm a queen or a point. It's a lady take out the word. The lady that you're a point and tell cock. Oh, can you get it? But it's order to choose someone. Yeah, between Golang and then Nasser. It's a young boy. Mr. did along. Yeah, come 30, can you 20. Can afford it to be a time. It's a young boy. Mechanical, and I believe, according to what I have seen. So please, nearby, go back to your root. Forget about look. Nah. It's nothing, it's rubbish. He just a la rubbish. He just over la rubbish. But go on and is a problem. Go on and it's a bigger problem. I lost my case and Nyayo. But be the other but we shopping center. Because I look like I look beautiful. Go they were. They don't want to but hi, how are you? Happy Sunday. That's what I want to hear today. Biatamal Norbis and you get ready. What I don't know for quick you can pay attention. It's a dang shoes, dang tough. And there I'm a rescue. And I'm a new one and be a rescue in all community, all Sudanese actually. Pay attention to this message. That we're young to young. Because you find well, I'm saying a cast of fish, I swear to God. Like you realize, they're still there. But my good Koduna Korum, I have no idea. Connect, connect, what on is none of my business. Telling your business. And you're going to go young wounded. You're going to go young wounded. Get ready. And I deliver a jar, you can. Kodun become homeless. Tell you otherwise. Jig a cock. So, the other eyes. Good boy, can man do what's up? Tell my handsome husband, what's up? And kwa jit kun yang yo message da biata mal akodi first. Thank you. For sure nyameja. And nyameja John job for sure. Thank you. And happy Sunday to you too. Kut kon post. Bora nyoga kaloga was in Facebook. Jen gwanda community ga leusin. Mala bagwa. Sorry ko baya gara chi message da so kashi na gara ma dan ko mi da jan message ne ngara janam. Rampa iben lo ke jok lo jok jak jak. Beoli You when you go kun go wonder go kun go then tell ya cock. And don't waste your time called Jesus. Jesus is God, yes. But need to care with naked. They're from somewhere. They don't have good connecting with him. Solution yeah, but Jesus. Me good and every solution, Jesus, go Jesus by yourself. You will have direct contact with Jesus. Okay? Malamugwa. Then I'm young lady, I fancy funny. This message is very clear and clean message. Can they been live video, look when you're bang balat? Nope. Can they been live video, aga bang balat? Ala go kun, ala go deng ters, chaka cock. You got a cocktail go cook. Ala kodan. They sell how God, chaka with good money. But God refused to go with them. Marai gonna go grand can they're empty. You don't know human being, you don't like human being, there's nothing. They can't hear anything from him. They can't see anything, they're so blind. You go one day I'm a kaya biarat, manabala live video. I will talk step by step. Go one day I'm a I show a live video. We in video to very close. Me yana kaya. That I'm lying. I did not see anything and I did not hear anything. Can they turn and weird opinion? Go quidun and quida. You know that live video today. I swear to God, we are. You go one day, what I call go they're all nothing. Because they're a cock and the ass. They even sell God themselves. Help it was huge of money. But you could look at what you could shouldn't point in right now can nothing. I am be a Korean queen, get be Jalkamuni is zero. God is here in Ulang between Ulang and Nasser. To go around, our God become homeless, but Terrajaran already. Terrajaran. But problem is here be ignored. Here when I'm so serious because it's the young boys. Be away young don't you must get up. Yam nope. I dare you in go to your go then to shooting around today a live video. Bubble right fully. To take out a country, look at a ballad, back a ballad here. But I see you a minga lot. But I see you a minga a lot, dang toss. But watch, pen conji. I'm young. I'm going to be 42 this year. But I know a whole lot. I feel so disappointed, man, and you're women. Imagine the old God of our community crying. Can you guys imagine? Because that is the point of the Nuori. That is the point of the Gokun. Imagine it, our God become homeless. Our God become homeless. I have to reject. I don't want it. God. I'm not ready to bang it or cook. I don't need it. I don't want it. I reject him. Did you reject or look at? The quite reject or look at you. Quite reject exactly. You do. Because young and now, my quality young is like cook no whatever point. The young pull a pin, you can make up your jaya, you're going to yes. The young little pin. They open the young kawaii, but I don't kawaii. They don't know a young at a mental problem. They walk out the young, they could young don't cook me to don't worry. They are better afford hey young. They're rejected. They look like can't know. They got up in your lot young. They could have been young at all, which they young, they got what I'm young. I couldn't understand Facebook and I could go. And the door man and one that I couldn't worry, and them could have pot or couldn't age either. They got your work at their fingertips. They told me what do. That's one level. She rejected. I rejected. They reject. But lucky enough, to run with it. Location below because they're secret. But yeah, between, I even know the guys. I'm not needing it. I see him face to face before. But when they come to place, focus on Mundans a lot. Is our only hope. It's the only hope. It's not God, Abraham, God, I there, God, it's not going to work. Talk of father could kill young. Then cat could we call Charlie Kuskun. I'm telling you, called Jesus. I know Jesus is the Lord, yeah? You denies. But you company, those people who hold Jesus company, they all peck. They peck. Come for me. Come with me. Go in. When you're not go by nothing. Like we go and say that. We will go where you get your flower. I will go too. Con the rage. Me go in a bandage. Con the other we might. Talk a palo could a con the kind. Kudun in bull, kudun in the guy, kudun in law, kudun, jolly kuskun. Even in 6 months, the kind of table turn around. Say a been nang 6 months, a can table turn. I like what Ganit will be, and I told God it will order they're in problem. God it will, thank you. Then they have their own problem. You better call your own God here. Could Ganit will, God it will go. Quoted in nearly 1 year, they're fighting. And you're busy calling God of Israel, but Israel, but even look, you can't gonna, they log, nope, you are wrong right there. God of Israel, God Israel. God of Israel, they are burn, they are book they're fighting. So he's very busy with his own people. And we are migrant. Yeah, but no look no migrant. A chui gun. God of Israel will never have migrant before God gun. Nope. That's a you lie. Look. So please return to your own God. Continue. They will hear your name. And they will give you the answer that you're looking for. God of Israel is really busy. Besides that, they need to employ themselves for their office. Since they claim office of God, they are lying because they're fake. They went and get the power from Juju and put it on Jesus, and they become prophet. They become pastor. They're lying. They're all lying. They're fake. I challenge you, Biara. And they all lie. They're lying. Yes, Jesus is Lord and He's God. I agree. I will never challenge Jesus. Never. But these people, they're fake. Lie. They're lying. And I'll tell you, God Israel, Kakor. They're very busy. Nakara. One make you think of Jesus, but long no my God. Because God gun will look. Think about that. Long never done that. Biara long joke. Charlie kun more down kun. Charlie a book. Let them come in. Even 6 months before the table will turn around. Table, but turn around quickly. When you turn your head, everything will turn. You and nothing. Borbor run let. Could be an opinion pattern. Could be an opinion quarrel. Could be an opinion peripheral. Because they receive your little money that you have. They receive. You don't receive from them, but you receive from them. That's it. They attack us on about why you're not attack, but I'm not attacking anybody. I'm telling the truth. Yes, there's a pure prophet. They're there. The correct one. But they're gurke. They're the real benefits of God that Jesus called them. They did not call Jesus. Jesus come and called them. They are there. But nobody want to listen to them. There is a real benefit of God. They are there. Because nobody want to hear it. You see the community leading them to hellfire in the name of God. Jesus Jasin. But nobody want to listen to them. You see the peg one? Double wahala. But congratulations to all of you on your on your way to hellfire. Congratulations to you guys. You get a ticket free going to hellfire. Well done. You on take a energy today. You go on down when pilot me and come and challenge me. You go geese. Think you go geese, but you go witchcraft. Be a video challenge. But like a fruit. I will force what I have, what I have and what I know. Be a video. And while it's Sunday, I'm not working, but it's a rana ko tak. We video, but Benga phone, but I be join. Bana Bantaka conference live and direct. I will open your nyach. I will open your nyach. And believe me, you cannot bring me down because I'm already down. But I will bring you down because you're on top. Don't forget that. Aram the pin, you're already here, I'm already here on the ground. But you're on top there. I will open your nyach like this and bring you down. And bring you down. Just know that when you're coming for me, you will be the victim. And if I come for you, you will be the victim. Me, I'm already here. I'm already done. Just I have no business. When you come for me, you will be the victim. If I come for you, you are the victim. Because you guys are on top. I will open your nyach and bring you down. If you open my nyach down here, you will just take me up there. Woo! Congratulations to me. Because I'm already down here. I have no business. I have no church. I have no nothing. I have no nothing. I have nothing to lose. But you have something to lose. I have nothing to lose. But you all have something to lose. Nemi ya lip tiken nyungwe. Pator nyungwe. Parapton nyungwe. Nyungwe. And chien parapit. Chien pator. Chien diket. Chien an elder. Chien nothing. There's nothing under my name. Tell me how God will should accept my ID, my passport, my Medicare, my concession. That's it. My house with my name, yes. But tell him a business to should. Just put that on your head when you guys come for me later. Come ready and know that you're coming down with me. You will come and meet me here. That's it. But you guys are free. Come and challenge me. Come. Let me open your nyach for free and show the whole world who you are. You go one time to peg Jesus. I'm talking about peg go. Tin control Jesus, but they call themselves. They call themselves. Jesus did not come for them. Jesus never called their phone number, never. But they come by force, by fire. They want to collect you. They become forfeit. They work like a chicken. In the name of what? And bantamal.